talking at the end of the video. We're going to do some playing first. We got it on reverb. There's a little reverb, but other than that, nothing else. I especially like the bridge pickup. I like the neck a lot. It's like warm, but it still has the twang. Well, enough playing. Again, that was with reverb. So, just to say a few things before I end the video. It weighs 6 pounds, so it's super light. It was $350 new. Totally worth it. The only thing I could find wrong with the construction and finish is this pickup is a little diagonal. But I'm going to have that fixed when I have it set up anyway. I plan to... I planned to set up this guitar before I bought it, so that means I'm gonna take it to someone who does fret work, and I might be able to do this myself. And they're gonna file the frets down so I don't get any of that fret buzz you may or may not have heard in there. So it's got Grover tuners. They all work really well. It holds a tune great. The bridge actually holds the ashtray if you want to put it on. It's gorgeous, obviously. I mean, just look at it. It's super gorgeous. Great guitar. Thanks for watching.